All right, so picking up where we left off, fortunately, we're through the long part. The rest of this should go pretty quickly here. Okay, so on April 14th, we've recorded the federal income tax. We've done the Social Security, employer and employee, Medicare, employer and employee. So we need to go ahead and indent, and I know I'm off a little bit up in here, but we're going to go ahead and indent, and we are going to use cash to record the payment for these three numbers here. So $18,069.70 will be the amount that we will pay for these three portions of our tax here. Okay, so that completes the 14th. We're going to go ahead and go on to the 30th. So if you look in your book, we issued a check for to the State Department of Revenue for state unemployment tax for January, February, and March. Okay, so the cool thing is the book tells you how much it was. When we did this in the past, you had to go back and figure out each one of them separately, but it just gives you the numbers. So we're, oh goodness. So I'll get back to where I'm supposed to be here. So this is going to be our state unemployment tax payable. And it gives us the number that we need to be using. So it's the $3,496.50. And then we're going to go ahead and come back down here. And we are going to credit our cash. I'm struggling here with getting my cursor to not go in the wrong spot. $34,096.50. Then cash will be for the same amount. All right, so we have that one done, and then our last one for activity 84B is going to be on the 30th again. So we're issuing a check to Coast Bank for the deposit of federal unemployment tax payable for January, February, and March. So it's going to look like the above, except we're going to say federal unemployment tax payable in the amount of $516, and we will credit our cash for that same amount. So just showing you the different entries for, the payroll and taxes payable, it looks like for 2 months here. So if you guys want to use this, hopefully this will help you with your 84A. Again, we can still Zoom today if you guys have questions. I'd like to be here to help you if you need it, but that should be it.